sign of the function. Sign of the function means find the interval which the function are positive and the interval which sign are negative, and the set when the function is equal to zero. If you look to this shape, so you will find this is y-axis and this is x-axis. Y-axis means f of x, or the function. The graph of the function, like you see, this bar are negative because it's opposite the negative x-axis. This bar in the function from negative infinity to the point negative 3. Then we say at negative infinity and negative 3, f of x less than 0 or negative. In this point, x equals to negative 3 and x equals to negative 3, f of x equals to 0, opposite 0. This bar of the function are positive like you see. Then from negative 3, after negative 3 and infinity, we say f of x greater than 0. Understand? Then we say the sign of the function means find the interval which the function opposite to negative y-axis, and we say the function in this case less than 0, and find the interval which the function opposite to both y-axis, and we say f of x greater than 0, and find the set which give us f of x equals to 0. We have 3 types of the function. We will start with constant function. In the constant function, the first function, sign of the constant function. Constant function means f of x equals to 3, f of x equals to negative 2, f of x equals to negative 1, f of x equals to 4, These are constant function. Can you say another constant fraction?
زيرو نيجاتيف 4 طيب يعني نجيب رقم نص والرقم اللي
I say a constant function.
نيجاتيف 2
Yes. If x equals 0, f of x equals to 0. Ahmad,
اف اكس ايكوال
f of x equals -1. Ahmad, what? -3. This is a function. If you want to graph f of x equal 3, what you doing? You graph the coordinate from the point 3 at y-axis and draw straight line parallel to x-axis. Yes? Then we say, where is the function lies? In the path, positive or negative? Positive path or negative? Positive path. Why? Why positive? Then we say f of x greater than 0 for all x belong to R. All the function and positive y-axis. If we represent f of x equals to -2 from the point -2 and we graph straight line. This straight line and the positive part or negative part? Negative part. Then we say f of x less than 0 for all x belong to R. Then the constant function has the same sign of the constant number. If the number R is the number is positive, we say the function is positive. If the number is negative, we say the function is negative. Yes? As the number f of x equals to 3, we say f of x greater than 0 for all x belong to R. For all. For all. This is reading for all. To every real number. Yes? Here, f of x equals to -2, we say f of x less than 0 for all x belong to R. Every real number, f of x less than 0. If we say f of x equals to -1, without we graph the function, yes, what's the sign of the function? F of x less than 0. For all x belong to R. Yes, f of x equals to 4. The function greater than 0 for all x belong to R. Like this. Then f of x equals to c constant number. Then the sign of the function is the sign of c. If c greater than 0, then we say the function greater than 0 for all c belong to R, x belong to R. It is. Yes? Understand? Let us to go the second type of, if we have straight line. Straight line, the function of first degree. Function of first degree, we say it linear function. Like if we say f of x equals to 2x plus 4. 2x plus, if we want to represent this function as graph, what we're doing, xy, x equals to 0, if x equals to 0, then f of x equals to 4. What? If x equals to -1, then f of x equals to 2. Coordinate. In this case, the first point 0 and 4, 0 and 4 like this. 4, -1 and 2, -1 and 2. Graph part of this line in y, positive y-axis, and the other in negative y-axis. Yes? Who's in positive y-axis? This is in positive y-axis. From -2 to infinity. F of x greater than 0 at -2 and infinity. Yes? F of x equals to 0 when? F of x equals to 0 at this point only. F of x equals to 0 at x equals to -2. When the line lies in negative, in this part, negative. Then we say f of x less than 0 at negative infinity and -2. Open interval like this. Look at the shape. This is the line bx plus c. The positive part here. That is the positive part. From after negative c over b and infinity. In this part, the function are positive. Before negative c over b, the function negative. In the point negative c over b, the function equals to 0. If you look the second, in the point negative c over b, the function equals to 0. From negative infinity to before this point, the function positive. After c over b and infinity, the function are negative. Now, I want to know a way, clear way to find the sign by algebraic form. I will tell you. If we say determine the sign of function. F of x equals to 3x minus 6. Another one, f of x equals to 5 minus x. We have two functions. I want to find or determine the sign of the function.
مش لاقي مستوى واحد. لما عملنا يدخل زي ولا عملنا 6 هنا ولا عملنا اكس يعني 6 بلس 3 يطلع 2.
The first one, I find the solution set of f of x equals to 0. Then we say, let f of x equals to 0. F of x equals to 0, then 3x minus 6 equals to 0. 3x equals to 6. Divided by 3, then x equals 2. That is the solution set of f of x equals to 0. Then we write 3 sentences. The first one, we say f of x equals to 0 when f of x greater than 0 when f of x less than 0 when we write the 3 sentences directly. After you find the solution set of the equation. F of x equals to 0 when x equals to 2. The solution set. Yes? Attention now. I will go to the function. Where is the function? This is the function. I see the coefficient of x. Positive or negative? Then we say f of x greater than 0 when x greater than 2. When x greater than 2. Why? Because the sign of the coefficient of x was the last is the inverse. X less than 2. We can write this greater than 2 to an infinity. And this negative infinity and 2. Let us to see the second. We say also f of x equals to 0 when 5 minus x equals to 0. Then x equals to 5. We find the solution set of f of x equals to 0. Now we write 3. The first one, we say f of x equals to 0 when x, f of x greater than 0 when x, f of x less than 0 when x. The first one is the solution set of the function f of x equals to 0. Then we say equals to 5. The second, I got the coefficient of x and the function. The coefficient of x equals to negative. Then we say f of x greater than 0 when x less than 5. The third is inverse, the second, greater than 5. Are you seeing? This is the sign of the linear function. Every one of you now our class are finished.